Inside this high-security biotech center, one of the world's deadliest substances is transformed into life-saving medicine.
The preliminary data on the Gila monster toxin looks promising.
Yes, if we can synthesize the analog, NewGen will revolutionize pain management.
The new air filtration system seems to be holding the particulate count steady.
Yes, the readings look optimal.
Expert handlers work with highly venomous snakes under strict safety protocols. With steady precision, venom is collected drop by drop into sterile containers. The samples are rushed to the laboratory to preserve purity and potency. Here, advanced instruments break down the venom's molecular structure. Key proteins are isolated and used to create antivenom that saves thousands of lives each year. Once approved, the medicine is sealed, stored, and shipped worldwide, turning deadly venom into powerful healing.